Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and review the new Boxyluxe Boxycharm box. So this is a little bit different than the normal Boxycharm box. This box is obviously bigger. It costs $50 every 3 months, plus whatever tax your state has. But it's $50, it comes every 3 months, and you get a lot more products in there. Compared to the smaller box, which is $20. And this replaces the small box. So I only got this box this month. I did not get the small box as well. So before I move forward in my review with that, obviously don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And then make sure you tap that notification bell so that you can get notifications when I post new videos. Take some time to like now. So when I first open the box, I do get the little paper that tells you what's in the box. It looks like I am getting 8 items today in this box. The pamphlet, let's see if I get that. I don't know if it could focus, but it tells you what it does, what each product does, what the name of it is, and what it retails for. So there are products on here that actually retail for more than what I paid for the box in total. But yeah, so it'll tell you what exactly is in the box. So upon opening the box, there's like a bunch of stuff in here. The first thing I see is the Violet Voss, let's see, Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. It comes with 10 shades. Here, and it retails for $29. So I have a big palette of hers that I actually got in Boxycharm as well, and I absolutely love the palette. It's definitely one of my favorite palettes for sure to this day. So I am super excited to try this one out. I know I'm gonna probably love it because I love the other one. But let me do a few swatches for you guys just so you know what you're getting for the $29 value. I'm going to go in with the shade Gold. Looks like we could get a good... Yeah. I'm going to go in the shade Emerald, which is super pretty. My birthday's in May, so Emerald is my color. It's like... But that's that. I'm going to go in with the shade Pink. I love how these shades are just straight to it. This is pink, and then I'm gonna go in with shade Plumberry, which is like a purpley glitter, and that's that. So here are the, let me see if I can get them all in frame. I don't know how people do this, like that. So first impressions on the shades, they're really blendable and beautiful. Yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I'll let you guys know. Maybe I'll do a video on it. If you want to see that, go ahead and comment below. But I'm super excited to try it out. Let me whip off my finger. So next in the box we have something from Dr. Brandt. It is the, let's see. It is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It says it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So this retails for $52. In a past box, I did get the cleanser from them, and honestly, I swear by it. So I'm super excited to try this as well. A few people wanted to know my skincare routine, and honestly, what I do is I wash my face with water every day, and then when I shower, I actually go in with the Dr. Brandt cleanser that goes with this and clean my face. I don't do anything else, unless of course I'm putting makeup on, then I'll put my moisturizer on. But I've been finding that everything was breaking me out, and I'm like, well, what is breaking me out? So I kind of eliminated stuff from my skincare routine until I'm where I am now, where I'm not breaking out, knock on wood. So yeah, I'll give this a try. If it doesn't break me out, I'll keep it in my routine. I have a feeling it won't because it is part of that same Dr. Brandt line that I have my cleanser in. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on this. So speaking of skincare, the next thing in this box is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. This brand is very well known, but it is also very expensive. According to this sheet, it says it retails for $65, which it doesn't surprise me because, like I said, this brand is very expensive. This is not something I would go and buy myself. The only reason I would try it is if it came in a box like Boxycharm. So I am excited to try it. I don't know if it's going to be a staple in my routine for two reasons. One, it might break me out. If it breaks me out, I'm cutting it off. And two, if I do love it, I honestly can't see myself spending $65 on it again to keep repurchasing it over and over. This only has 1.7 ounces in it, which again, for $65, like, I just can't justify it for myself. But I will try it, and if I like it, I'll use it until it's empty. But I honestly can't see myself, unless for some reason it makes me look younger or something magical, I won't probably buy it again. The next thing in here is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Looks like this. It says it's, let's see, what does it say it do? It just hydrates your hair. The only problem I see with it is it has coconut oil in it. For me, a lot of people love coconut oil, and there's a lot of people that hate it. Coconut oil seems to dry out my hair, actually. I was trying to use it to fix my hair when it was really damaged, and my hair actually seemed more damaged because of it and more dry because of it. So I stopped using it. My hair's been a lot better. So I'm kind of hesitant to try this. I'll give it a try a few times, but if I notice my hair being super dry, this is definitely not something I will keep using. It retails for, let's see, $29. So it's a little pricey. I hope that it works. If it works, I'll be good, but definitely I'm hesitant because of the coconut oil. So if you're someone that can't do coconut oil, this is not for you. The next thing in here is the Park Avenue Princess Tarte palette. This is a face palette. So I requested I get this one, but I actually already have it too from a past box. I love this palette. This is my holy grail face palette. I use it every single time I do my makeup for setting my face, bronzing, and contour. So I use it for three things. So it's great to bring with me to places because I have 3 in 1. But I've been very, very impressed with it. So this is definitely something that I will be using again and again, and that's why I got it, because I'm already close to hitting pan on my other one. This is the inside. It looks like this once you open it up. But yeah, I use this palette on a daily basis, so that's why I requested to get it again. This palette retails for $45. I think it's worth it for the quality that comes with it. The next thing in here is a Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. This is in shade Patina Shimmer. So this lipstick retails for $22. I'm excited to use it. I haven't really used Stila lipsticks. I'm more of a Jeffree Star, Maybelline Superstay type of lipstick person. So I haven't really ventured out of those realms when it comes to liquid lipsticks. So I'm excited to use it, but it looks like this. It's a super pretty pink. I like the applicator. And I heard this is a very moisturizing lip, so I am excited to use it. Maybe I'll use it at the end of the video. But there's that. Again, it retails for $22. We have 2 things left in the box here. So next I have this Hank & Henry Stick With It Liquid Liner in shade Blickety Black. It is retailing for $20. Let me open it up here. Hold on. So it almost has a brown tint to it. Let me see if I can get you guys closer so you can see. But it has like a brown tint to it. When I use a black liner, I want it to be like super black, blacker than my soul black, like super, super black. So I don't know if this will be a staple in my makeup routine, just because it is not that black. It's more of a brown tint. I mean, I'll definitely try it out though and see how it lasts all day and whatnot. But I'm more of like a Kat Von D. Even e.l.f. has a really good liner. They have to be dark. I want them really dark, but yeah. So we'll try this out. Again, it retails for $20. And the final thing I received in my box was the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip. This retails for $65. It looks like this. The packaging looks like that. So I actually recently stepped on my curling iron and broke it, so I'm excited to have this and try it out. I'm also excited about the cooling tip so I can hold here. But yeah, see, there's no temperature. You can't change the temperature. It's whatever the setting is, the setting is. And I mean, other than that, I'll use it on a daily basis probably. It retails for $65. I'm not really too, I don't know this brand very well, so we'll see how it performs. I'm sure it'll do great since Boxycharm is using it, but yeah, so I'll give it a try. But that is everything actually inside the box itself. Again, this is the Boxyluxe, so this isn't your normal small box. I did have to pay $50 for this box. Let me get you guys the value of this box really quick. Let me do some math here. So we have the $29 palette, $52 face mask, $20 eyeliner, the $22 lipstick, the $45 face palette, the $65 Sunday Riley, the $65 curling iron, and the $29 hair masks. So according to Boxycharm, this box is retailed at $327. I only paid like a little over 50 bucks. So obviously that's a good deal. That's great. I like everything in this box. First impressions on everything I like. I'm a little hesitant on the hair mask, and I'm a little hesitant on the eyeliner just because it's not that dark and the coconut oil in this. But even if I'm not a huge fan of those two products, I still think this box is worth it just alone for the two palettes I got in the box and the curling iron. So I definitely think it's worth it to get the box. I have been very hesitant with Boxycharm lately because there's boxes I love, there's boxes I hate, there's boxes I'm okay with, but it's never like steady for me. There's a lot of products that I find myself re-gifting for like Christmas time because I don't use them. So like I don't know, there's times where I want to cancel, there's times where I don't. I'm very pleasantly surprised with what's in front of me today. And I'll keep you guys updated. I'll do a box like this every time I get my Boxycharm just to let you guys know. And I'll update you guys on, especially the skincare stuff, how I like it, if it's breaking me out, and, you know, actually wearing it how I like it. I'm gonna try this lip really quick while I have you guys here. So here's the lip. It's super hydrating. I really like it. It feels like I just put a chapstick on. It doesn't actually feel like I have a liquid lipstick on. I'll have to see how it dries down to see, you know, how it's gonna wear. I think, but it feels great. The formula feels great. My lips don't feel super dry. They also don't look very dry. How would this respond to me eating a huge cheeseburger or drinking out of a straw? I don't know. But it looks pretty. It applied really easily. I don't have a lip liner on, so, you know, it's not the best it could be, but I mean, for the applicator, I think it applied very well without my lips being lined. And yeah, I mean, I would definitely wear this out. I think the color looks good. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Again, I need those likes, I need those comments, I need those subscribes more than ever right now because my channel is so new. I want to keep doing this. I want to do this every day for you guys, but I just need your continued support to do that. So yeah, again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of each of the products in my box. If you have tried something and you have your own opinions on it, I'd love to hear them down below because like I said, I haven't tried this stuff yet. So if you have any opinions going in, let me know. And let me know what else you want to see from me. I'm super excited to be going on this journey with you guys. And I hope to get stuff out more and more as we go along. So yeah, thank you for watching.